It's just a matter of whether he's going to get his bro price or not. Really, those are...
Alright, guys. We're going to play some Bomberman. You want a chair?
No.
No?
Get the ottoman.
Alright. For the NES, by the way. What happened? Did it freeze on you? Uh-oh. Something didn't like something. Ha!
Press start again. See?
It's not me, it's you.
I know. Yeah. There we go.
Alright. What's going on? We've never played this, have we?
No.
We get a bunkus copy that only has an intro screen.
So the continue where? There we go.
Okay, there we go.
I don't know if we can do
Alright.
this. This had though. Maybe there's not 2 players. I always thought there was 2 players in Bomberman.
I don't know. It's fine. We'll take turns. You want the chair?
No, that's fine.
This is the one. The only time I played it was in the arcade. When your grandpa was a bowling alley guy. He was a bartender.
My goal is to just like destroy everything, right?
Mm-hmm. Kill the guys, I think, and get rid of the stuff. Right? Don't you have to get rid of all the block?
Yeah, I think so. Huh? I've never really played a Bomberman before.
Well, the last time I played it, you weren't alive, so. But there's a lot of other games like it that use the same kind of mechanics where you're breaking the lanes. There's a modern one they made, like on Steam or something like that.
Is it like Bomberman R or whatever?
It wasn't even Bomberman. They just called it instead of a bomb, it was something else. It did the same thing. And then you got bigger bombs that could take the whole line out, and So I think it's stupid. You should be able to hit one more.
Let's see. Does it spawn different like blocks every time?
It's random.
So it's not goal to kill all the enemies or to destroy all the blocks?
I'm pretty sure it's the blocks.
Or just get to like the end of the...
Well, let's see if there's an exit. It's been a long time, honey. Play around, we'll figure it out.
Come on, get one of them. It's so cheap.
Hey, you got one.
I think I have to kill these dudes.
Block them in, basically. Ooh, what's that one?
Oh, it makes my bomb go
That
through
one's
it.
a lot bigger. That's cool. It is time too.
Yeah.
Start dropping it.
You can only drop one at a time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh, you almost got 2 on that one. That almost got you. Did you get it?
Okay, so I have to get all the balloons.
Yeah. You gotta pop all the balloons. Oh no, you do have to get the blocks. It's pretty bad we don't know anything about the game.
Well,
What are those? Alright, let me try once. Do you even know what it's supposed to do?
okay. It looks like you just have to stay alive.
What's going on
You
here?
just paused it.
No, I didn't. It froze up. The game froze!
I've never had an NES game for you.
I don't know. It froze. It glitched. It froze.
I'll reset it.
One more time.
Our game just break.
Mm-hmm. Looks like it. So that's it for Bomberman.
No, I'm gonna do it. What the heck? I never had that happen before.
It went bzzzt.
Did our power like flicker or something?
No, just a game.
It recognizes that it's a game. That white screen means it recognizes.
Yeah.
Okay, what the fuck? Okay, well.
Might have to clean it again. Alright.
Okay, time to do
We'll do a different
Milon Secret Castle.
Who
One
is
of
it?
the last ones we have left to do.
Milon's.
Yeah.
So the Bomberman and Milon's is on this one, huh?
Hopefully this one works.
Uh-oh, something wrong there.
I've never played this one before either, so this fight is dirty. Pause the.
Alright, we got it working. This is the last one that we haven't played of our
Yeah.
partners, right?
Yeah.
I don't know anything about this one.
I don't either.
Milon's Castle?
Secret Castle.
Feels like Mario.
I have to climb up.
Can't. You can go in the door.
May I help you? Find the saw. Crystal has mysterious power. Get her with money.
Reminds me of Zelda.
Yeah, I wish it was more platformy and less
RPG.
RPG because that means I'm not gonna.
Ooh, I
like
can
it.
do stuff.
You got bubbles. Oh, money. You got $1. Oh, hold on. There we go,
Yeah,
heart.
heart.
Okay. Yeah, you can't get up any further than that, can you? Ooh, watch out.
Why can't you go on here?
Maybe you need like a special weapon or something. Oh, yeah, it looks like there's like another way. Oh, there's more money. Maybe you need like a magic power that like turns the enemy into like a block or something.
That's what I was just thinking.
They do that. I've seen that in like some games.
Go that way.
Try going in the first door. That was there. Awesome, like $2 more you can buy that potion. You can't go back now? Okay, so there has to be a way to get up then. Maybe there's like a mystery like
Maybe
block.
I shoot. Maybe there's a way to make that one thing do something.
That looks like it could be a bounce pad.
That's what I was trying to figure out.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's a heart. Get that.
I don't know what you're supposed to do. Here you play. I don't know. Secret Castle. Milon's Secret Castle. I don't know who Milon is, but it's not Milon from Disney.
That's Milon.
I know. A lot of characters. It's got to do something. They wouldn't have a different thing.
How am I supposed to get that? Look at that.
Oh, you keep shooting them. Maybe you gotta hit them more than once.
No, they were just hidden blocks. Maybe one. Look, I can buy that. Oh, there's an arrow to it. Okay, that's what I got out. Now I can go buy whatever's in here. Shrink when you touch the glove. Okay. That totally makes sense. So now I can go here.
Even getting through the boards is a puzzle. Hit select. Can you get switch weapons or something?
Nope. Didn't know.
That's so weird.
Probably something like really stupid that we just like
Like
don't
you just
know
push
about.
up or
Yeah.
something. Without the jump. Huh. I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll have to do some investigating how to get past that first part.
It's because it doesn't feel bad. It controls.
No, it is actually not a bad game. There's a lot going on though. It's fast.
Yeah.
A little less enemies, have a little more intuition, know what to do. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you dig. I'll see you later. Peace out.